News 5 Investigates has obtained evidence revealing the El Paso County Health Department misled the public. You may remember last month we reported the department said it was moving forward with a cease and desist order against a Callahan restaurant that was defying Governor Polis's public health order. Well, as Chief Investigative Reporter Eric Ross explains, not only was that letter never sent, the health department kept that information hidden for weeks.
This discovery only came after we filed an open records request, which reveals the health department told us they were doing one thing, but ended up doing another. This small Callahan restaurant made headlines across the state last month.
You come in the first time and you're a guest. You come in a second time and you're part of our family.
In early May, Karen's Cafe and Stephanie's Bar and Grill announced they were no longer going to follow Governor Polis's COVID-19 health orders and reopened its restaurant for dine-in customers.
The community wants us open. Our bills don't stop because the governor says closed.
The governor's public health order temporarily banning in-person dining services at all restaurants in the state was intended to slow the spread of the coronavirus. But Karen Starr, the owner of the restaurant, says people should have the right to choose if they want to eat inside.
Every order that I cook is with love. It's not with, oh, who can I make sick? It's not about that. It's about cooking with love and showing people if you want to be in here, you can.
Here's a step-by-step timeline of what transpired. The restaurant officially opened on May 6th. The same day, the health department reached out and notified them they shouldn't be open for dine-in customers. The next day, on the 7th, the restaurant was open again for business. That's when the health department spokesperson told News 5 that the department is moving forward with a cease and desist order. And then they went silent. So on the 13th of May, now more than a week into defying the governor's health orders, News 5 submitted an open records request asking for a copy of the cease and desist letter the health department said it was moving forward with. On May 18th, the county requested a 7-day extension to fulfill our request, and then on the 27th, the county asked for more time to respond. On June 3rd, we finally received a response, which revealed the health department never sent that cease and desist notice. We asked to speak with Public Health Director Susan Whelan to better understand what happened. The health department spokesperson declined our request to speak with Whelan or one of the environmental specialists familiar with this case. But one thing is clear. The county health department did not consistently enforce its own policies for businesses violating the governor's orders. After asking a business to voluntarily comply with health orders, the next step, outlined in the health department's action plan obtained by News 5 Investigates, is to issue a cease and desist letter. Yet the only cease and desist letter the health department sent was to American Furniture Warehouse. We had hoped the health department would be able to give us a better understanding of why they moved forward with a cease and desist letter against a furniture warehouse, but not a small restaurant with dine-in customers. To date, the health department has been unwilling to sit down and talk with us. And in full transparency, we should let you know that the health department spokesperson initially agreed last week to work with us on coordinating an interview. But instead of scheduling that interview with a subject matter expert, we found out the spokesperson contacted the county attorney's office and then told us this week they were not going to move forward with that interview. If you'd like to read more about the evidence we've uncovered, our entire story is online right now at KOAA.com. Just click on the News 5 Investigates tab. Always watching out for you, Eric Ross, News 5 Investigates.